It's a beautiful day today and I'm in my kitchen, home cooking. I want to welcome you to my channel. Let's cook and eat together because today I'm doing the cooking. You ready? You ready? I'm making spaghetti Bolognese. Come on in, come on in, come on in. Let's do it together. We will be needing spaghetti, some Bolognese meat, yeah, Italian tomato sauce. We'll need some vegetables, so we'll be using zucchini. In English, you call it crochets. Some olive oil. We gotta be healthy, so you need to use healthy oil to cook, okay? Don't forget some garlic and onion. We need some hot water for the pasta. Before I forget, we'll be needing some sausage, my special recipe. In my last video, I showed you all the recipes, and now I'm about to show you my spices. And these are all my spices. And don't forget my Mama Africa chili that put the special taste to it. You don't need the oil, just have to get it steamed a bit before you there's no oil in the pan. So now the Bolognese beef is steamed with no oil, just hot pan. And the next step I'm going to show you. We have the Bolognese out of the way, so we need the oil. My sausage is getting ready. My spaghetti is ready. My spaghetti. Add your garlic to give it that special taste and flavor. Onions. I'm not using as much onion because I don't want the onions showing. This is what it looks like. Back in our Bolognese, don't forget your Bolognese. You can add all your spice to the Bolognese. We have a good amount of the spice, then we stir it together. The last thing to go is our tomato sauce. It smells so good. If you are here, I tell you, you will want to eat it all. So I don't need this for today, maybe another day. Bon appetit. Dish is ready. This is what it looks like. Table for two. Why not a nice red wine? This is my breakfast, lunch and dinner. I didn't eat all day. So here is the spaghetti Bolognese with red wine. I wish you a beautiful weekend. Take care. Stay safe and be kind to one another. Don't mess anybody's life, okay? Be good.